Now comes the fun part. This is where we really start to bring our document to life. PageTiger is designed to turn static content into engaging digital experiences, and interactivity plays a huge role in that. It's what makes readers involved, encourages them to explore further, and helps your content work harder for you. Let's start with media. Here, you can embed videos directly on the page or in pop-ups, add audio, or even use our AI-generated avatars with voiceovers. This is a great way to add personality to your content, especially when you want to welcome readers, explain key ideas, or guide them through more complex information. I'd like to add a video to my welcome page. I don't have a pre-recorded video to upload, but that's not a problem, because we can create an AI-generated avatar video directly in PageTiger. This feature is perfect for making your content more engaging and personalized, and it's constantly evolving with new options. Let's click on the media icon in the toolbar. Select Play Video File on Page and draw the interactivity layer where we would like it to sit on the page. This will launch the Video Content Editor. Here you have the option to upload an existing video, but we are going to generate a new one, so let's click on Create Video. We are now in the video generator. This is where you can personalize your avatar, from the way it looks to how it sounds. You can also customize the background color or choose an image from your inventory. And remember, you also have the option to upload images at this stage. And finally, you can adjust the position of the avatar on the screen. PageTiger regularly adds new features to avatars, including different languages, accents, and voice options, giving you more ways to create videos that connect with your audience, no matter where they are or what language they speak. It's time to give our video a title and add in our script. You also have the option to play the script before generating the video to make sure that you are happy with how it sounds.
Hello, Rosa, and welcome. We're really pleased to have you on board.
Once you're happy with everything, click Generate. The processing time depends on the length of the script, but this makes it incredibly quick to produce professional-looking video content without any filming or editing. You'll be notified once the video is ready. And thanks to the magic of video editing, I can show you the finished result.
Hello, Rosa, and welcome. We're really pleased to have you on board.
Next, in the toolbar, we have more information pop-ups. These are ideal when you want to expand on key points without overcrowding the page. They allow readers to explore additional detail only when they need it, which helps keep your content clean, focused, and easy to scan. You can include text, images, and videos. I would like to add a more information pop-up to our value buttons, explaining how each value is applied in practice and how team members can use them in their roles. To do this, I'm going to click on the More Information icon and select More Information pop-up. Then draw the interactivity layer over the relevant panel. This will launch the Content Editor, where I can add and format my text before clicking Save. For every interactivity layer that you add to your document, you will also see additional settings on the right-hand side. They allow you to control things like the size of the pop-up window, giving you flexibility depending on how much content you want to include. Before we link this interactivity, let me show you what can happen if we don't. As you can see, if I move the panel on the page, the interactivity stays where it is, instead of moving with the content. This can cause clickable areas to sit in the wrong place, making the page confusing for readers, especially on mobile. To avoid that, the final step is to link the interactivity layer to the corresponding panel. That way, if you move panels around later, the interactivity stays attached and always lines up with the content. To do this, make sure the interactivity layer is selected, click on the link icon, and choose the relevant panel. Now, when I move the panel again, everything stays aligned. Now, let's look at assessments. Assessments are a great way to check understanding, gather feedback, and increase participation, especially in training, onboarding, and internal communications, where engagement really matters. PageTiger makes this easy by allowing you to add quizzes, polls, and surveys. In this tutorial, we will cover the basics of setting up an assessment. We are going to add a knowledge check quiz to assess our new starters' understanding of the policies in this onboarding guide. From the toolbar, we are going to select Assessment and draw the interactivity layer on the page. This launches the Assessment Content Editor, which is pre-populated with multiple choice questions. You can also add other question types, such as true or false, image choice, and free text responses. You can remove any questions that you don't need by clicking on the bin icon. Adding content is then as simple as adding your text and setting the correct answer. Once all the questions are in place, we can then set the pass rate. So let's head over to the Results tab and set the pass criteria. This will automatically set the fail threshold. You can also customize the pass and fail messages, which is a nice way to guide your learners or reinforce key messages. Once you're happy with your assessment, click Save. With the assessment in place, let's switch to Page Preview to test how it works from the reader's perspective. This makes it easy to review the content and interactivity on the page, confirm everything is set up correctly, and spot any final adjustments before sharing the document. Next, we are going to add a poll to our back cover to gather feedback on the onboarding experience. And for this, we are going to click on Assessments again, but this time we are going to select Poll and draw the interactivity over the first panel. This will launch the Edit Poll Content Editor, where we can add our answers one by one, drawing an interactivity layer for each option. Once all answers are in place, we are going to click Save. At this stage, the poll interactivity layers are visible, but they are not yet linked to the panels beneath them. As we previously covered, if panels are moved or resized later, the interactivity could become misaligned. To prevent this, link each interactivity layer to its corresponding panel by selecting a layer, clicking the link icon, and choosing the relevant panel. This ensures the poll stays attached to the correct content, even if panels are moved or resized later. The final step is to give our poll a heading. Links are another powerful way to guide learners through your content. You can link to other pages, external websites, or even other PageTiger documents, making it easy to create smooth journeys through related information. I would like to add a Jump to Page interactivity to the Explore This Guide button. So from the toolbar, we are going to click on Links, select Jump to a page within this version, draw the interactivity over the panel, choose the destination page, and click Save. Now we just need to link the interactivity layer to the relevant panel. There are a few more interactivity options worth mentioning. If you need to share resources, you can use file downloads to provide downloadable resources like guides, templates, or PDFs that readers can save and refer to later. This is ideal for supporting deeper learning or sharing takeaways. With mailing options, readers can forward content, join mailing lists, or send emails directly from the document. Sharing tools make it easy to spread the word. Readers can post your content to social media channels with just a click. And finally, charts. They allow you to visualize your data using interactive graphs, either embedded on the page or in pop-ups. You can choose from a variety of chart types to best suit your message. As you can see, all of these features are designed to increase engagement, personalize the experience, and provide valuable insights into how your audience interacts with your content. With just a few clicks, we've transformed a static document into an interactive experience. I've now finished adding the remaining interactivity layers, so we're now ready to review the document and get it ready to publish.